first thing I'm going to show you is how to change the title and a description of a certain page or product on your website. Go over here to a page and press on Edit. Then we go over here to Rankmath. Here we can change and add the focus keyword, or maybe you want to add more, and click on Edit Snippet to change your title and the description. And if you have Elementor, just go over here to SEO on the left side. Here we can change the focus keyword and click on Edit Snippet to change your title and the description. Variables make your life way more easier. I have did it the wrong way on this website. You can see here the separator, which is a pipe, and I also have the entire website name over there, white diamond. Now this is not the right way to do it. If I want to change my title or my separator throughout my entire website, I have to edit every single page one by one. To do it correctly, we just delete all these things, delete it, and we press over here on this arrow. Click on it. And here we have all kind of variations, and these are a lot. You can use inside of the description and also in the titles. For the title, I would go with the separator character. So I'm going to type it in over there. And then I want to have the site name, site title, title of the site. There we go. Just put it in and we can see in the preview. Now it's the way it should work. But there's also another cool thing. In the description, you can also make it, for example, add in the current year. So you type in year here. There we go. Now we have with quality and style in 2025. And of course, you can use all these variations that are available within Rankmath. If you want to improve your website, you need to improve your pages. And if you want to improve your page, you need a kind of a checklist. Now here you can find, if you scroll down, all the checklists that you need to have. You have some basic SEO things. My content is way too short. You can go to additional, also fix a lot of things, and we can also use title readability. And finally, we have some content readability. If you follow all these things, your website will be optimized way better for LLMs and search engines. Just a quick tip, getting all those green check marks and the top score in Rankmath does not guarantee that your website will be on top in the search engines or will be mentioned by LLMs. It's just an indication of how well your page has been technically optimized. Keep that in mind while optimizing, because you are still creating the website for visitors. Make sure that the bots of LLMs and AI can reach your website and also understand your pages, and to give them bite-sized information, we need LLMs.txt. How to enable that? Go to Rankmath SEO, go to your dashboard, then scroll a little bit down and just enable this LLMs.txt file. Press over here on Settings. And here we can find where the file is, but you can also deselect any type of page or categories or anything you don't want to put inside of this LLMs.txt. Yes, you can disallow them from going to your pages or posts or products, but it's all up to the LLM if they will obey what you said, because they do tend to have a mind of their own. Submitting your sitemap to the Bing Webmaster Tools or the Google Search Console is still pretty important, but how to find where it is? Well, just go to Rankmath and go over here to Sitemap Settings. Here we can find it, right click on it, copy the link and send it in. If I share my website, for example, within WhatsApp or any social media platform, you can see over here that it's generating an image and a text. We can change that pretty easy. Go edit the page where you want to change it, click over here, and then we press over here on this button, social. And then we can see our social, how it looks on Facebook and Twitter. Just add in an image, add in a title and a description, and this will also be used when sending your pages via WhatsApp, Signal, or all those other social media platforms. Very important for your visitors, but also for search engines and LLMs are the breadcrumbs. In here, you can see how it works, how to add them in. You go over here to Rankmath and we go to the general settings. From here, we go over here to breadcrumbs. Then of course we need to enable them, and then we can style them completely down here. And then you can add them in by using this shortcode. It's that easy. Now maybe you don't want to have all pages submitted to search engines and also to the LLMs. And that's probably like cancel payment or the thank you pages after purchase. Well, how do you change that? You just go to Edit. Then we go over here to Rankmath and we click on this one, the advanced options. And then you just switch from index to no index like this. And if you even don't want to have an archive in the search engines, add in no archive, no snippet, no image index. There we go. All these beautiful images and deep links, videos, but also review stars are being put into the search engine and especially in LLMs by using schema markup on your website. This enables the LLMs to quickly see and understand what this is about and how the data should be interpreted. On the page where you want to change the schema markup, go over here to Rankmath and then we click over here on schema. And here we can change the different kind of schema markup we want to have. Just click on schema generator and you can choose any of these free ones, or if you upgrade to the pro version, you can even use more of them. Really great. If I helped you out with this video, you also could help me out by hitting that like button below this video. And also subscribe if you want to see more videos about WordPress, SEO, SEMrush, for example, online marketing, speeding up your WordPress website, or, well, you know, all these kind of topics. And you know what? Have a great day. And also you can check out these two tutorials from SEMrush A to C and Rankmath A to C. You can just follow them and maybe I also can help you out with those complete tutorials of those tools. Hey, have a great day and I hope to see you in the next video.